Right, we've got these 4 kits. They are what we call our Tatti kits, and they're the chocker. Not sure, I'm going to lift this up a little bit. So if you can see, quite well laid. You've flowers, you've ribbons, you've sprays, you've pearls, fabrics, bigger flowers. They're just full. I mean, look at these, like a button, a metal button. Acrylics, all the ones have a bag of acrylics. Look, there's all sorts in them. Some beautiful things. That's got a bag in there of acrylics. Look at these fancy pearls. Charms. Lots and lots of goodies. So, there are Tatti kits. Don't forget, run along and grab them while you can. Now, this morning, what I'm going to do with you is... This is basically for the newbies. I'm just going to talk to you and show you a few bits that you can do to save money. And we all like to save money. Now, first of all, what the hell's that? Oh, God knows. I've just started to film and noise. Just before I do that, I think next door's doing something. Look, I just want to show you the new charms that have come in today. And they are the skeleton, the razor blade, the spider's web, and the ghost. And it's I got them in for Halloween. I'm not going to get any different ones other than these. And they'll be sold in a set of 4, or you could buy them individually. But I just wanted to share that with you first. Now, I use my jars. These jars are what I get yogurts in and things like that. And they're really handy. They come with a little rubber lid. But they're great for holding all your oddments. And so I use them all the time. Get yourself some little jars or little containers if you're going to dismantle jewellery. Now, everybody knows that when I go to the car boots, not that we've been able to do many this year, when I go to the car boots, I pick up as much what I call junk jewellery as I can, and I dismantle it all. Reason being, you can get off things like this. Now, this was a diamante bead with a hoop. But I can make those. I've got some here to show you. Where did I put them? Oh, here. Oh, actually, I might have made this one. Yes, I think I did. It's just like a flat back diamante, and I've put one of these little... Hope you can see that. See? They hold beads, pearls, whatever. So, that's done that. So now I can use that on a project, and that was cut from something else. I'm just going to trim that off, that's it. So I can use that on a stick pin. Now, often jewellery comes with bits like this. You get a little bead hanging off the back of your necklace or something like that. Never throw them away, keep them all. I've got things like this. This came off a piece of jewellery. But on there, it's got some bits I can use in projects. Here's a necklace that I didn't want to throw away, because often when you're doing little bits, you need small amounts of chain. So if I think somebody's boring a hole somewhere. I can use that and cut that off, and it saves me having to buy the chain. And I collect lots of chain. Look, this was a necklace, and look what it's got on it. Now, I can take that off as is and use it, or I can take them individually. But then I can also use all the chain up somewhere. Oh, it's on a hoop as well. So I'm just sharing with you the things you can do, and just to save some money. Now, you can buy these. They're like, oops, they're like little eye things. that you can then thread a bead on with. If I just get a bead, let me find a bead. Here's a bead. I can thread that on, or two if I want. And then I just turn the end over. And straight away I can hang that from something. And you can get these in different lengths. I have them in various lengths. So there's just lots and lots of things you can do. This came off a necklace. It was a little pendant, pearl pendant. But what you can do with them is to take this off. Because they are only just clipped together. Let me just pull this apart. I know a lot of people go, oh, I don't want to spend time dismantling jewellery. Well, my collection's because I have. Because I have done it. And the stuff I've managed to save, you know, money-wise. So, now I can hang that from a stick pin as well. So I've got that one that I popped onto a smaller little cap, bead cap. These just single ones that come off the back of your necklace, like that, like I said, like those, will hang from a stick pin or something, like this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 3 stick pins. I am going to use beads. Oh, by the way, Debbie, you asked about the pink. It is in the shop now, love. I've just put it back in. I don't always put it all in at once, you see. See, I've got that one. So I'm going to... That's a little bit big for what I need today, but I've got 3 more of these, 2 more of those. And so they are earrings that I've taken apart. Righty-ho. So let's get going with this. I'm going to try and keep the camera down low so you can see. Now, like I say, all I have to do is straighten up this or cut it off. Cut it off, we don't need it. Pull that out. I'm going to put it straight on, oops, with a small crystal. First. And you see, I have immediately created a stick pin, and it was an earring. The thing is, you just have to play, basically. So I'm going to stick to that. That's what I like. I don't need a bead cap on the bottom. I'm not fussed about them at all. I know a lot of people lather them with the bead caps all over, but then you don't see the beads. You know, so you don't always have to have one. Got a little bit of flash here and flash there in between 3 lots of pearl. So that's my first stick pin. Like I say, I'm going to cut this one as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach one of these. So we're going to do that first. Let me just put them together there. Oops, a daisy. And I'm going to dangle one of those. So let me just see if it works. Small bead, small crystal, small bead. And then do that. Now, see, that doesn't look right because it's stuck right out. I want it to dangle down. Now, where's my chain? Here we go. I'm going to put this one on, I think. Yeah, I only need to do that. So I'm going to pop that on first. Then pop on the small crystal. Be alright if I had some good eyesight, wouldn't it? And the spacer bead, then the larger crystal. And you don't have to put a crystal on. I've got like a purpley coloured rose. Look at that there. But I'm going to use this, I think. And I've got that dangling as well. It's different and I like it. Bigger than what I want it, but it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Pop your glue on, twist it, and then just clear the excess off. So you can just use dangly bits and they look fab. Or that one. And they're a great way of just using up your odds and sods from your car boot buys and things like that. But go to your car boot and get as much junk as you can. Because look what you can do with it. There's loads of things. You can pop that on. These little caps. They come in different sizes. You can buy them like that already have charms on them. I often use those because when you put that on your stick pin, you've got something to dangle something off. So, like, you'll put that on your stick pin like that, and then you've got this to dangle it from. There's just lots and lots of things you can do. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.